Hello friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is the first video in my channel. And I'm going to share some of the healthy recipes that I normally follow for my healthy lifestyle. And I have been practicing this for quite a while, almost 3 years, and I see tremendous results in my health and immunity. So I thought of sharing this with wider audience so that everybody is getting benefited as well. So that's where I'm today. So today I'm going to first start the channel with the first video where I'm going to show you a drink which is basically a immunity booster, and that is something that I have been drinking for almost 2 to 3 years. Um, so before I show you that drink, I basically wanted to share my experience, how and why I started that drink, and what is the experience that I am getting out of it. I had issues around immunity a lot, and I was a asthma patient from the beginning, like when I was a kid. But I outgrew it. But then you always have some kind of impact, like. And when I moved to one of the metro cities in India, it was like I started developing a lot of respiratory issues. One is because I was working in night shift for quite a while, and apart from that, it's because of the pollution dust. I slowly developed issues like, the morning I wake up, I always sneeze a lot. And the issue starts with sneezing, then itchy eyes, running nose, and then apparently fever. So, what I used to do is like it was so normal for me. What I used to do is I used to avoid taking medication. But then at the end, I had to always take medication, and it was kind of continuing for almost 2 years, and I had no idea what I should be doing. So the only thing that I was doing, things like drinking hot water, drinking multiple coffees when I wake up in the morning so that it settles a bit. And then lemon honey hot water drinks. I tried la amla drink. I also tried apple cider vinegar and whatnot. I actually tried a lot of things. But then it was really not helping me out. I was not able to cook. I was not able to go out. I was unable to travel in public transport. And it was really a problem for me because my daily life was kind of impacted. My work was impacted. If I go to office, I was literally sneezing all the time, and I couldn't work. So this was like I really had a messy life around that, and I just wanted to get out of it. So I was searching internet for quite a long time, and then I came across multiple things which didn't work. So one thing that I observed, like when I used to take lemon, honey, and hot water with ginger as well, it was giving me some kind of soothing effect, but it was not healing the problem, or it was really. But what I thought is, so as lemon and honey is the only thing which is giving me some kind of relief, why not really start drinking the whole lemon? So when I research internet, I like YouTube and all, there were people were talking about to get how to get more benefit of eating lemon or drinking lemon juice. So somebody were talking about getting the grated peel of lemon. I tried that as well. It was helping a little bit, but then one day I got an idea, why not start grinding the whole lemon and start drinking it? So I started doing that, and in a month or so, my all my issues were gone. I was I didn't have any cough and cold. Like somebody like me who was always getting fever, cough and cold, sneezing, itching eyes, running nose, had no issues at all after 1 month. And I was very normal. I was able to travel in public transport. I had no issues around that. I was able to last, and it's been 3 years now. I have no issues. I haven't got fever. I haven't got any cough and cold, and it's for me, a game changer for me. And now I'm totally fit. So apart from giving immunity to me, the other thing that I have noticed is because of this drink, I my weight is in control, and I don't put on weight even if I eat a lot or eat more than what I normally used to. I don't put on weight. So I have been researching around what is so special about this drink. So then I actually found there are two things that is important to know. One is vitamin C, which is very important for our health, It's again for immunity, and the other thing is about weight loss as well. It has got so many other things, and apart from that, the main component that it has got is called D-limonene. So, which is basically a compound which is found in lemon skin, and it is responsible for many of the health benefits. And it also supports your oral health. It has got a lot of antioxidants, so which is really useful for your health. And the main thing is D-limonene. So and you don't get that in the juice. So because of that, if you start drinking and eating that, and you get so many health benefits than that you wouldn't have really got with just the juice. So lemon has got the lemon peel has got a lot of other benefits, like it has got calcium, magnesium, and potassium, but not in very large quantities. But yes, it has got in small proportions as well. Apart from that, it is high in fiber, so which is important. And one more thing that I want to reiterate is that anything that you do, you just have to do it consistently. If you jump from one to another, you will actually not know if what which one is actually working for you. So if you're trying this drink, I would suggest that you should try it at least for a month or two to see the results. And I bet it is going to work if you have similar health conditions like me, and if you're suffering from low immunity, and if you have issues like cough and cold, definitely try this unless you have any specific conditions where you cannot take any lemon or acidic drink. Um, Okay, so now let's see the process of making the healthy lemon immune booster drink. So what we require is just three ingredients. So let's have a look at that. So as you see, I have just lemon and honey. So this is a pure honey that I have got, but it doesn't matter. You can always buy the store-bought honey. That's fine. Honey is just a secondary thing. Even if it is not pure, it doesn't really matter. The important thing is this. Okay, and I've got hot water. Now let's see what we need to do. So you just chop it off the these parts, head and tail part, and cut the lemon like this. So if you cut on sides, what happens is you actually the center part normally carries all the seeds, so you don't really have to pick the seeds. So it's easy. So if you see, I have just removed it. That's the right way to cut. I'm taking a blender jar, and now to this, I'm going to add some normal water. Not much, just enough to blend it properly. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this quickly. And as you see, it's finely blended now, and it's a smooth puree, kind of. So what you do is you add this to a glass. And I'm going to add one big spoon of honey, as you said. So the best thing is drink it using a straw, and maybe flush your mouth after you drink it, and don't brush at least till an hour. You can brush only maybe after an hour or so, but I normally what I do is I brush my teeth first, then I drink, and then flush my mouth so that anything that is left out, it goes off. That's all we need. So this is something required for my teeth, for our teeth. So I just thought of sharing that as well, because it's important that we take care of everything, not just one thing. So yeah, so this is how you enjoy. It's not bad. You will like it, and especially during summer, you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think that this video can be useful to others, please feel free to share with them, and do share me your feedback. How did you go with this drink? And I will come back again with some more tips around health. Until then, see ya. Bye bye.